It's Patrick and Chuck at Pals, and there's a Mercedes, and here's a Mercedes. These cars are twins. They both have retractable tops. They're both Mercedes-Benz. Chuck, what can you tell us about retractable top repair at Pals?
Well, we're probably one of the few people in town that actually work on these when it comes to the hard top problem. This is not a soft top, it's a hard top retractable problem. This one had a problem with the actual pump. That pump is what supplies the hydraulic fluid to the different leveling sensors to lift up and down the top to know what position it's in, to help fold it up and then help reinstall it when it goes back up on top of the car.
Okay.
This pump had failed, so the top was not working properly because it didn't have the desired pressure in order to function all the different pistons and rams that are, you see all the lines going up there, they travel to the different pistons and rams that cause the top to work.
And you can see that Lester has got a nice diagram here on how everything goes back together. What's the situation with this Mercedes?
Okay, so this has got a problem as well, but it's a different form of that problem. The problem this one has is the positioning switches that are electronic that let the top know by the computer what position it's in. Those micro switches have failed. So if the top does not know what position it's in, it's non-functional because it doesn't want to damage anything, so it just completely stops working. This customer brought the car to us and they couldn't put the top up because the micro switches would not allow them to put the top up. So we've replaced the micro switches, we've done some routine maintenance on the car, and it's getting ready to go home as soon as we finish the headlight restoration.
So now, these are both hardtop retractables.
Correct.
Do the same things fail on a soft convertible top?
Well, they have similar sensors, but they function a little differently. I mean, they'll have, either one of them have positioning sensors, whether it's a hard top or a soft top.
And do we work on both soft tops and hard tops?
Yes. Hard tops, soft tops, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, any of those vehicles, you can bring that to Pals. We have the ability to rebuild the rams. We have the ability to rebuild the pumps. We can install the electronic, do all that in-house here. So it gives you a one-stop shop if you're having top problems.
So it could be a Corvette, could be a Camaro, could be a Mustang, could be any brand.
It doesn't matter if it's mechanical or hydraulic. We work on either style.
Folks, if you've got a retractable or a convertible, bring it to Pals. See you soon.